So Indians love eating their samosas, kachori, anything deep fried with ketchup. यहाँ तक इतने सारे लोग हैं जो मैगी को भी केचप के साथ खाते हैं. So why use that ketchup from the market which is over sweet, does not have much flavor? Why can't we make a ketchup back home? So what we're going to do is we're going to make an Indian tomato ketchup today, and we're going to flavor it with some kalonji. Kalonji and tomatoes go very well together. So you know, my mouth is already watering, so the ketchup is going to come out really well. So let's quickly start chopping tomatoes and let's see how do we make a ketchup pack in the house. So now what we have to do is we're going to add ghee, kalonji, tomatoes and make a chutney. So 2 spoons of ghee. As the ghee melts, so we are adding 2 teaspoons of kalonji for 6 tomatoes. Now we add our tomatoes. Now we'll add a bit of water, half a cup, that's it. Depending on how sweet you like your ketchup, 3 spoons of sugar I'm going to add, not more than that, because otherwise it will be too sweet. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of vinegar so that we can preserve it. A pinch of amchur, this is optional. Some rock salt. So now we are supposed to grind this so we get that ketchup consistency. If you like that, you know, chutney wala consistency, you can leave it like this and right away have it. But we are going to do, you know, grind it so that we get that ketchup feel. So that's it. This is done. Now our Indian tomato ketchup, aka chutney, is ready. No added color or, you know, all these things. So it'll have a nice bright orange color, not the red ones that we get from the market. And beautiful smell because it's fresh. And fresh tomatoes, no puree. As good as you see, I'm enjoying it. Subscribe to my channel and share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Well, you know, all the social media platforms. So guys, Indian tomato ketchup or chutney. So what we have to do is we have to remove the bitterness from this cucumber, and I'll show you how to cut it. सिरके वाले प्याज क्या होते हैं? सिरका होता है विनेगर, और